Have you ever wondered if the things you do every single day are actually correct? You might be surprised to find out that some of your most common habits are completely wrong. For instance, brushing your teeth right after a meal. It sounds super healthy, doesn't it? Well, not exactly. After you eat, especially if you've had acidic foods or drinks, your tooth enamel is temporarily softened. Dentists actually recommend waiting about 30 minutes before you grab that toothbrush. This gives your saliva time to neutralize the acid and protect your precious enamel. Here's another one that might shock you: washing raw chicken before cooking. A lot of people believe this washes away bacteria, but in reality, it can splash harmful germs like salmonella all over your sink, countertops, and even on you. The water droplets travel further than you think. The only truly safe way to kill those germs is to cook the chicken to the proper temperature. And these are just two examples. There are so many small habits we do on autopilot without ever questioning them, but sometimes they do more harm than good. So next time you're going through your daily routine, just remember, the correct way isn't always the most obvious one. Follow our channel for more surprising facts and everyday curiosities. Thanks for watching.